Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use substitute in Google Sheets. So the substitute functions in Google Sheets is used to replace a specific text in a string with another text. So this is especially useful for cleaning up data, making quick edits, or formatting text. So if you want to replace something, you can use this function, this substitute function. For example, here I'm going to replace all occurrences of Mr. in this column into Mrs. So what you need to do is just write the substitute equal to, and then write substitute, this one, and then text to search is Mr. Sorry, the text to search is this one, and then comma, and the text that you want to replace. In this case, I'm going to replace Mr. Sorry, like this, and comma, write the text that you want to replace it with, Mrs. like this. Now close the function and tap on enter. Okay, so you can just click on this check icon to accept the autofill. So now all of this Mr. on the columns will be changed into Mrs. So you can also use substitutes if you want to only remove a specific word, or if you want to remove the second or the third occurrence of something in the text. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.